Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Naurusa CSC tutorial. Today I am going to start with a very important topic of lattice, and that is of complements of lattice. Let L conjunction disjunction be a bounded lattice where O be its lower bound and I be its upper bound. Let A be an element of L. Another element, A dash in L, is said to be complement of A if A conjunction A dash is equal to O or lower bound and A disjunction A bar or A dash is equal to I or upper bound. These are some of the notes regarding to complement. That is, complement of an element may not exist. Complement of an element is not unique. Then, if the complement of an element exists in a bounded distributive lattice, then the complement is unique. Now, complemented lattice. A lattice is called a complemented lattice if it is bounded and every element of it has a complement. So, the lattice will be called as complemented lattice. Now, giving you an example, and that is question number 1. Consider the lattice L consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 ordered by divisibility. Find the lower and upper bound of L. Is L a complemented lattice? So clearly this is the hash diagram of the given lattice, that is 1 to 2 and 1 to 3. Then 3 will divide 6, 2 will also divide 6. Then 4 and 6 are on the same level. 2 will divide 4. Then both 4 and 6 will divide 12. So this is the hash diagram of the lattice. So clearly from the hash diagram we can observe that 1 is lower bound of L and 12 is upper bound of L. Now let's find, is L a complemented lattice or not? As we know from the definition of complemented lattice that it has to be bounded and every element of it will have a complement. Clearly L is complemented as 1's complement is 12. From the definition of complement, we know if an element A in L has a complement and that is B, then A conjunction B is equal to O is equal to lower bound or infimum of A and B. And A disjunction B is equal to I is equal to upper bound, and that is supremum of A and B. So by this way, 2's complement is 6, 3's complement is 4, 4's complement is 3, 6's complement is 2, 12's complement is 1. So L is complemented lattice. Now starting with bounded lattice. Lattice is a POset. If this POset is a bounded set, then the lattice is called a bounded lattice. Coming to its examples. That is, the POset consists of N and divisibility is a lattice. It has no upper bound, so it is not a bounded lattice. As we know, the POset consists of natural numbers and here the relation is divisibility. It has no upper bound. So clearly it is not a bounded lattice because it's not a bounded POset. That is why it is not a bounded lattice. The POset S consists of these elements like 0, 1, ABC is a lattice its lower bound is 0 and upper bound is 1. So it is a bounded lattice.